Happy 2022. Crazy that we're already in 2022. The craziness continues in the housing market as well. I'm going to give you some highlights here and let you know what the experts are predicting for this year. Hi, I'm Stephanie Souza Bro with Modern Nest Realty, located on the Central Coast of California. Over the past year, we have talked a lot about the lack of inventory, buyer fatigue, mortgage rates, and home equity. First, let's take a look at the Santa Maria and the Orcutt area recap for the year. Orcutt had a 17% increase in price, with the average price for the year that came in at $611,000. In 2021, 512 homes were sold, and in 2020, 570 homes were sold. We actually saw a 10% decrease in the volume of properties sold in Orcutt, and this is what's pushing the prices up. There's just not enough inventory for the continued buyer demand that we're continuing to see. For the yearly recap for the Santa Maria area, the average home price in Santa Maria ended up being $500,000, which was a 14% increase over 2020. Total of 509 homes were sold in 2021, which was a 7% increase over 2020, where we saw 477 homes being sold in the Santa Maria area. So in summary, for the Santa Maria Valley, prices went way up, inventory went way down, and the buyer demand continued. And guess what? This is what happened all over the country. Listings are at a record low nationwide, and check this map showing that the year-over-year comparison for the housing inventory, you can see it nationwide. We're down in California by 27.8%. Probably the most important takeaway in this housing market from 2021 is the equity that people have in their homes. So listen up on this. If you're a homeowner in the Central Coast of California, or anywhere else for that matter, take a look at this map. The average homeowner in California has gained $119,000 worth of equity in 1 year. Even if you have no intention at all of moving, this is a huge opportunity for you to build wealth, especially now before the interest rates actually start creeping up in 2022, because that's what the predictions are. You can take some of the equity out of your house and buy an investment property somewhere else. If this sounds interesting to you, just give me a call and I will connect you with the people that you need to be connected to, a good lender and a good agent if you're looking in another city. They'll be able to help you determine if it makes sense for you. Now on to 2022. So the predictions that we're looking at, we've been talking about mortgage rates all year and it's still a common topic. Here there are recent predictions for this year. The averages do show that rates will be going up a little bit, so we just have to wait and see how high they will go. But at 3.7%, that's the highest average shown here for 2022 predictions for the interest rates. So in all, they will really remain pretty low. Finally, the question that people keep asking me, will home prices keep going up or could they possibly come down soon? Well, here's the forecast, and the average of all 7 is showing 5.2% gain in home prices for 2022. And please remember, what I'm showing you here is a national average. And us on the Central Coast, we're usually above the averages for the Central Coast and all of California. So I hope this all gives you something to think about. I'm always available to offer a free price opinion if you'd like to know what your house is worth. The value of your home has changed a lot in the last year. And if you're curious of where you stand with that, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Thank you for watching, and I hope your year is full of health, happiness, and prosperity. And if you have any questions at all with real estate, feel free to reach out to me. We're always here to help.